In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. Now you need to download this free app from Fair to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!